This midday, the Dallas County Office of Health and Human Services is asking people in the county to get up to date on their vaccines before the start of the summer travel season. Our Larry Collins is live in Dallas with more on their message. Larry, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, for the past several years, vaccines and vaccinations have been front of mind. But the further we get away from the pandemic, the more health officials want to remind folks to get these things done and not become complacent. So today, Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins and Health Director Dr. Philip Wong were joined by several people over the age of 65, including Judge Jenkins' own mother, to remind senior citizens to get their COVID-19 vaccines as well as their boosters. The CDC recently recommended that this age group get an additional COVID-19 vaccine dose.
The most recent dominant strains of the virus that causes COVID-19 serve as a reminder that the virus isn't going away and individuals continue to get sick and face ongoing impacts from long COVID.
Now, this is the push before summer travel, where large gatherings are expected, exposure to people in transit, and more opportunities just to simply be exposed. Along with the COVID-19 vaccines and boosters, health leaders are also encouraging those in high-risk populations to get the Mpox vaccine. This is especially important, they say, for people in the LGBTQ community. In that community, there's summer events planned across North Texas, even popular summer out-of-town spots and events. There's also a push for parents to get their children their back-to-school immunizations done well before students return for next school year. Health leaders say this is all a part of being a responsible member of the community.
We'd rather prevent these things than be reactive, and we've seen how it, again, can cause severe illness, hospitalizations, deaths, and so being proactive, being prevention-oriented is really one of the features of public health.
Now, health officials remind that when it comes to getting these vaccinations, many of your insurance plans will cover still the COVID-19 vaccine. Live this morning in Dallas, Larry Collins, NBC5.